It's your favorite time of the day. I'm Miss Richard.
And I am Miss Timmons.
And we're going to be doing our Math Minute. Today we're going to be talking about one of our favorite topics, proportions. So, we've got a little song to help you remember how to solve a proportion. You ready, Miss Timmons?
Yes, I am ready.
Here we go. Solving proportions, I get a high five if I cross multiply and then divide. Let's do that one more time. Just so everybody can understand a little better. Here we go.
All right.
Solving proportions, I get a high five if I cross multiply and then divide. You guys are amazing. So remember, cross multiply, then divide when solving a proportion. But wait, there's more. We have...
Woo! Angles. Yes.
Complementary angles to be exact.
Or supplementary angles. Who knows?
You gotta find out. Guys, go ahead and solve for X for us. And you know the routine. No work, no candy. So make sure that you're showing our work.
That's right. And if you don't remember where we at, should I tell them?
I think you should.
This is what, the 9th week? Oh my goodness. Room 2109.
Look for the Big Apple. Guys, we appreciate you. Thanks for working so hard in your math
And you
classes.
rock.
You rock. Have a great one.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, we just flew back. We know you missed us. It's at your favorite time of morning again, the Math Minute. Hey, today we're going to teach you how to be superhero-like when it comes to linear relationships. We know it kind of is scary, but it's not. Here's a fun song. Are you ready to learn it?
I'm ready.
Here we go. To find the constant of proportionality or direct variation, you can do... To find the K, you do Y divided by X. To find the K, you do Y divided by X. To find the constant of proportionality, you do Y divided by X. Okay, now we know this is also your favorite time. This is time for you to show what you know.
Exactly. So I need everyone to show your work. 3/4 X minus 9 equals 27. So tell us what X is.
Make sure you show work to get credit and get that candy.
Work.
And you know where we're at.
Room 2109.
Hey, we appreciate all that you do. You too can be a superhero. Remember, do Y divided by what? X. Have a great day, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Flying out. Hey, guys, you know you missed us. I'm Miss Richard.
And I am Miss Timmons, and I miss you so much.
We have missed you, and by popular demand, we are back. And today we're going to talk to you about slope. We got a brand new song. We're dropping that beat. Here we go. Slope-intercept form is easy, you see. It's y equals mx plus b. Slope-intercept form is easy, you see. It's y equals mx plus b. Let's slow that down and slow. Slope-intercept form is easy, you see. It's fast forward. Y equals mx plus b. All right, guys, it's also your favorite time, candy time. Using those skills, we want you to
find the slope and y-intercept from the table. Here's the formula. We need to know what m equals, b equals. Meet us in room 2109 and get that big old apple.
And you know you have got to show work to get credit or candy. All right, so we're gonna finish off with what we have to do best.
I know.
Are you ready? Go, 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 go. Happy Thanksgiving. Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
It's your favorite time. It's the Math Minute. I'm Miss Richard.
And I am Miss Timmons.
And today we're going to make it short, sweet, and to the point. We are going to learn about Pythagorean theorem.
Pythagorean theorem.
The triangle, right?
Yeah, it is a triangle.
Hey, this is super easy. Are you ready? Here we go.
All right.
A squared plus b squared equals c squared. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. That's right. And hey, we're gonna do a throwback.
Throwback, baby.
As we start to prepare for finals and everything else, we want you guys to answer this.
What is the value of X? And once you get your answer, write it on paper. Come to our room, 2109, to see Miss Richard or myself. We will have that red apple filled with lots of treats.
Remember, you must show your work. Don't be screaming out answers.
Show it.
Hey, we appreciate you guys. Keep working hard and enjoy your math class.
Yes.
Have a great one.
Bye.
Hey, 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 it's your favorite time of day again. I'm Miss Richard.
And I'm Miss Timmons.
And today we are going to take a step back in this math review and review what we had you guys do last week, the problem. We noticed that there were a little bit of problems with that, so we're going to reteach.
Let's reteach, you guys. Okay. So this was the equation that you were given. 1/5 x plus 20 plus 10 equals 20.
So what you're going to notice is that this 1/5 is called a coefficient. And when it's a fractional coefficient, some of you struggled. You guys were like, oh, I don't really know what to do. So we're going to teach you.
All right. What is a reciprocal of 1/5? Reciprocal means, as a definition, vocabulary word for math, reciprocal means you're going to do the inverse. You're going to flip your fraction. So here are some examples. You may have a whole number, which we have 5. In order to make it into a fraction, you will put a 1 in the denominator. To find the reciprocal of 5/1 will give you 1/5.
We'll flip it.
Yeah, flip it, baby. Flip it, flip it.
Flip it, flip it.
And then we have 2/3. You do the reciprocal, which will give you 3/2. Here we have 1/3. You do the reciprocal, it's 3/1, or it's 3, because it's now a whole number.
So, last week we gave you this problem. 1/5 x plus 10 is equal to 20. Remember, when we solve, we have to first create a zero pair. So we cover up our coefficient and our variable. We subtract 10 from both sides, we get 10, and now we're left with that 1/5 x. Guys, what do we have to do? Well, we just learned it. We gotta multiply by the reciprocal. So we're gonna multiply by 5. When I do 10 times 5, our answer was 50. Couple of other ways you could attack it. If you notice, we could drop that 1 and it could be x over 5. Same exact thing. Dividing by 5, the opposite is multiplying. Multiply by the reciprocal. Multiply by 5. And your answer is 50. Now,
all right.
let's see if
Let's redo. Redo. Let's do this.
Let's see if what we just taught you actually pays off. Here's your new question, guys. What is the value of x? 1/2 x plus 20 is equal to 45. You know the routine. Show your work and meet us in 2109.
And we will have the red apple full with candy just waiting for you guys with your work on a sheet of paper.
Thanks so much for all of your hard work and great job yesterday on your test. Have a great one.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Guess what time it is?
Math Minute!
We are back by popular demand. You've been asking and we are here.
Yes, we are. Why are we dressed like this?
Well, let me tell you, we're about to start Star Review, and guess what we're reviewing today? You tell me. Circles! That's right, circles. To find the area of a circle, it's pi r squared. Now, what does pi r squared you mean? Well, let me tell you. It's pi times r times r. Or pi times r times r. Pi times r times r. So, to find the area of a circle, you do pi times r times r. That's why we're dressed like pirates. Yes. To help you remember, r squared means pi times r times r. And what we've got here for you, y'all, is a problem.
Yes.
We need you to solve or find the area. Here it is. If you can do the formula substitute solve and give us the right answer, we will give you
a pizza candy.
Candy. So,
Go.
Just meet us in room 2109, or if you see that red apple, Miss Richard or I will be carrying. You can show us your problems that you worked out, and we can give you a piece of candy if your answer is correct.
Also, as we prepare for STAR review, we're going to be walking around with these boards, 7th grade, 8th grade, and algebra problems. If you can answer it correct, you'll get candy right on the spot from us. So, as we prep for STAR, it's game day, 4th quarter. We got to work, and we are proud of you.
Work.
We believe in you. Have a great day.